Hey there, and guess what day it is? It's Flatbread Friday, and today I had some corn from Misfits Markets, some cherry tomatoes from Misfits Market, and one of those artisan pizza crusts that I love so much. So today we're going to make a Mexican corn and tomato pizza, or you want to call it a street corn pizza or corn pizza, and because it's going to kind of be like that. So let's do it. Okay, so I screwed up. If it's going to be like street corn pizza, it should have been grilled, and I forgot. And I cut it off the cob. So instead, what we're gonna do is we're going to roast it. We're gonna spread it out on a baking sheet. We're gonna spray it with a little non-stick cooking spray, or some olive oil spray, or whatever you've got on hand. And we're gonna sprinkle it with a little salt and pepper. I have a corn hand, so I can't do it with that one. Okay, so a little salt and pepper going on. And I have the oven preheated at 425 because we are doing pizza. And so this is gonna go in. I was going to do this later, but because we had to roast our corn, and that's going to take some time, we are going to make when the pizza is done, we're going to drizzle it with some Mexican crema, and that requires some sour cream, some mayonnaise, the juice of a lime, some salt and pepper, just a pinch, some chili powder, and some cilantro. And we're gonna whisk that together, or just stir it up. Our corn is nicely roasted, and now we're ready to build our Mexican corn and tomato pizza. We're gonna begin with our artisan crust from Misfits Market, and some really nice salsa that I bought. I'm loving it to bits and pieces. And it's kind of wet, so we're gonna just do a little tiny smear, and that's gonna be our base. Okay, our salsa is on. Then we're going to sprinkle it with a layer of shredded, I wanna say it's cotija cheese, but it's not. It's queso fresco, because I couldn't find any cotija in the stores, but you can use either one. It's a fresh Mexican cheese. And we're gonna spread that all around. I wanted to put the corn on first, and that's just what I'm going to do, but I can't touch it yet because it's still hot from roasting. Like I said, I should have grilled those ears before I cut this off the cob. And here comes our tomatoes. We're just going to kind of place those all around. Alrighty, tomatoes are on. I'm making a big mess here. And now we're going to sprinkle with another layer of cotija. Sorry, queso fresco. Duh. Okay, our Mexican corn and tomato pizza is ready to go in the oven. Probably get a better angle from here. It's gonna look really good. About 20 minutes at 400. Here's our Mexican corn and tomato pizza. It looks delicious, it smells delicious, and now we're gonna slice it and serve it. I love doing Mexican stuff because it lets me use my favorite Mexican ceramic plate. So here is our Mexican corn and tomato pizza. The next thing we're going to do is garnish it and eat it. You remember the crema we made, or maybe you don't, but it's going on. Just going to drop it on. I wish I had a squirt bottle that I could drizzle it with, but I don't. So we blop it on instead. And that looks like enough. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then we're going to sprinkle it with a little extra cilantro. And this is our Mexican corn and tomato pizza. Happy Flatbread Friday. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Flatbread Friday. It's beautiful, it's tasty, and it's going to be a yummy dinner for Kelly and me. And we'll see you next Friday, and we'll probably see you before that.